What's up guys? My name is Robert Rushing with MPH Club, and today I'm going to show you how to remove the soft top on a Jeep Wrangler. The factory soft top roof is really simple. There's 3 steps. Let's get into it right now. Step 1 is the latches. You're going to want to come here and drop the 2 visors. This is going to reveal 2 latches. Step 1 is just to release them, which is going to allow you to half fold back the first part of the roof. This black bar, all you got to do is push up. Should reveal the first half of the roof. Now on to step 2. Step 2 is going to be removing the windows. You're going to open the back hitch first. This window has 2 plastic slits. So the first one here you want to remove by pulling the tab in the corner. It looks like this. You're going to repeat the same step on the other side. Same thing, pull the corner, it releases this plastic tab. Now this big piece you want to rotate towards you to unlock it. You have to do the same thing you did to these slits to the side. On the top here you'll be able to grab the corner and you can slide it the same way you did the bottom pieces. Just like that. Same piece. You do the same thing on the other side, same process. Once you have both flaps open, this whole window just slides out. It's as easy as that. Now your whole back window is removed. Moving along to the side mirror, you have a very similar process. So there's a Velcro piece right here, and now this tab will allow you to pull a very similar looking piece of plastic from the side. This whole column here rotates towards you this way. This piece slides off the same way the back window did. So you take the whole piece, just like that. Then you want to do the exact same process to the last and final window. Identify the Velcro, start to pull the plastic tab. The plastic tab on the bottom should be just as easy to remove. You'll take this column and rotate it outward, and you'll slide it this way. Now we're going to go back to the roof, make sure it's folded down as far as it can go in its current state, which looks just like this. Now, step 3, you just want to locate this handle piece right here. You'll pull down on it and this whole roof will rotate towards you. And that is it. You can close the back tail hitch and you are ready to roll. All right guys, that's gonna wrap up our how-to video, how to remove the Jeep soft top roof. If you found it helpful, please give us a thumbs up. Helps growth for our channel a lot. Check out the rest of our channel. We do car reviews, we got a vlog. See you in the next video.